Weight gain has become an increasingly common issue among everyone in this age due to the lifestyle of the working class today. While we are trying to find many tips and tricks for weight loss, drinking detox juices and weight loss drinks is one of the solutions that is more sought after. Shedding those extra kilos can improve your energy levels, sleep, confidence, mood, and your overall health. Here are some weight loss drinks, which lose 20 pounds in 1 month. Before going to next, kindly like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos. Apple cider vinegar. When it comes to weight loss drinks, apple cider vinegar is among the most popular ones. When you consume apple cider vinegar, the main ingredient is acetic acid. It targets body fat by boosting your body's metabolism. Also, this beverage is well known for stabilizing your blood sugar levels. As a result, you will have greater control over your cravings, due to which you consume a fewer number of calories. It is quite easy to include apple cider vinegar as one of the weight loss drinks in your diet. Before you eat breakfast, make sure you have a tablespoon of this beverage. You should mix it with at least 1 cup of water before drinking it. Due to the high acidity of this beverage, it can damage the tooth enamel and irritate your throat. Also, make sure you don't consume more than 2 tablespoons. The best time to have apple cider vinegar weight loss drinks is before you have a meal. It will help prevent the overconsumption of food, which is good for your health. Within 12 weeks, the participants lost almost 8 kilograms. Green tea. Green tea plays a major role in boosting your metabolism. As a result, your body becomes efficient in converting the food and beverages you consume to energy. Green tea is a great source of metabolism-boosting antioxidants. Not only is it a great thing to have to improve your overall health and immunity, it is especially useful for burning abdominal fat. Drink a cup of green tea after your meals to aid digestion and burn fat. You should make sure that you consume at least 2 to 3 cups of green tea every day. Keep in mind that this amount depends on your body's natural rate of metabolism. It will give your body sufficient amounts of caffeine and catechine to lose weight. Lemon water. Although one might think lemons to be acidic because of their sharp and sour taste, this citrus fruit actually has an incredible alkalizing effect on the body. This is great for the health of our liver, which in turn aids digestion, boosts metabolism and burns fat. Drink a glass of lemon water in the morning. Honey and warm water. The combination of honey and warm water does in fact help in reducing weight. Honey and warm water are an age-old remedy that people have been using for ages to help with weight loss. This is the most natural and sure way of losing that excess weight and keeping our bodies healthy. Ginger tea. Ginger is a historically proven fat burner. It's high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help to improve digestion and reduce inflammation. Make a delicious ginger fat-burning tea before bed for an added weight loss boost. Cinnamon tea. Cinnamon tea is a warm, flavorful drink that boosts metabolism and promotes weight loss. It can regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin function, all of which lead to healthy fat loss. Cinnamon also has a sweet and spicy flavor that makes it perfect for a nighttime tea. Aloe vera juice. It's not just for making your skin radiant, you know. Aloe vera juice is a wonderful drink for weight loss. It's high in antioxidants and polysaccharides, which promote healthy digestion, and it has a ton of electrolytes, which can help to regulate water balance and improve sleep quality. Grape juice. Grape juice is high in antioxidants, which can help to boost metabolism and promote weight loss. It's also a good source of fiber, potassium, and vitamin C, all of which are essential for healthy fat loss. Celery juice. Don't turn your noses up yet. Celery juice is amazing for fat burning. It's low in calories but contains important nutrients, like potassium and vitamin C that can help with weight loss. Plus, drinking celery juice before bed may help reduce bloating and water retention.